Hello property investors! Welcome to Uptown Arts at nandito tayo ngayon sa mismong lobby at meron kaming promo na which is no spot down payment, 36 months to pay at no interest at ipapakita ko sa inyo ang quick tour ng mga prime units dito sa mismong Uptown Arts. So, tara, i-tour ko kayo dito sa 2-bedroom na prime unit kay Uptown Arts. So, dito guys, makikita natin, it's keycard access, smart home equipped. Kahit nasa airport pa kayo, pwede nyo na i-on yung lights or aircon sa mismong unit nyo. So from here, you will be greeted by our kitchen area. Kung makikita natin guys, bar type kitchen na to. So from there, we have 4-zone cooktop. We have built-in oven. And we have 3 refrigerator na 2 doors plus range hood. And from here, we have a maid's room with a view of BGC, and it has a toilet and bath inside. Check nyo. So guys, tignan natin dito. We have provision for washer and dryer. Kompleto na yan. Meron na rin tayong saksakan dito. I-check natin itong mismong living and dining room area natin na sobrang spacious at meron ng split type inverter aircon with mini hallway going to our first bedroom. Very spacious. We have actually a 3 doors modular closet with Daikin split type inverter aircon going as well here sa mismong common toilet and bath natin. What you see is what you get. And from here guys, this would be our master's bedroom with the view of Uptown Bonifacio skyline, Bonifacio Global City with modular closet, and of course, our toilet and bath. What you see is what you get upon turnover. For more information, inquiries, viewing, or project presentation, you can contact my details down below. I am Angela Arevalo, your trusted property specialist here at Megaworld at the Fort. Bye!